This is a quick update on the drone detection model I've trained overnight, and as you can see, I'm quickly running some inference on the model, and the model is doing a pretty good job. So it's detecting drones, and also I've added object tracking to the mix, so it's able to track the trajectory of the drone, so as we can know the particular path the drone is taking. So we just find the center point on the drone, and we are tracking it. So I've just compiled some video scenes containing drone, and I've made them together, and I'm running inference using the model to see how best this model perform. And to my surprise, everything is working pretty good. I think it's able to detect all the drones so far in this video. I'm looking forward to improve this model, retrain it using a lot of images as well. This was trained using about is it about 25,000 images, but I'm looking forward to increase the number of images so that it can generalize and also be very accurate in everything. But as it stands now, I think this model is performing great, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like it's kind of detecting the drone so well. I think there is some flicking here, so over here now there's some jumpy detection that's it's not able to detect this one well, but I think overall it's doing a great job. Like it's working great. It's working just great. So let me know what you guys think once again. Just enjoy the video.